Hey guys, welcome back to C++ for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to be seeing input and output. So the variable naming system and the number of bytes each data type holds is exactly the same as C programming, which I explained in my C series. The only new type of data type that's present is called a Boolean. The data type, you type bool for Boolean, then the variable name. Now Boolean can only have two values, true or false. So to denote that, if it's a true, you type true with a small t, or if it's false. Now this is a new introduction in C++. Previously in C programming we were using 0 or 1 to denote true or false. Now let's do a program where we take a number input and display the output as the same number. Now, in C++, we have two new methods and two new operators. To print something to the screen, we write cout. Then, this is known as an insertion operator. Whatever you give after it will be displayed on the screen by the method cout. These arrow marks are known as insertion operator and they insert whatever you enter after them into cout, if that makes sense. So we'll write please enter a number, and this new keyword is known as end line and is specified by ENDL. Similarly in C we were writing /n. Insert this is replaced by ENDL or end line in C++. Now let's declare a variable. The other new method is known as cin, and this operator right arrow marks. Two right arrow marks is known as the extraction operator. So cin will extract whatever variable or number that is inserted by the user and store it here in cin. So let's write number, and now let's print the number back. You can still use printf and scanf as you did in C programming. Now let me do both. Let's enter 5. Now this please enter number is from the cout statement and the insertion operator that we did. And this please enter number is from the printf statement that we gave below cout, cin, and cout. So that is input and output in C++ programming. Thank you for watching and I hope you understood the video.